Hello and welcome back to James's Tech Life. Haven't done a video on this in about a year, but I think now will be as good a time as any, as I picked up a DJI Mavic mini drone that I'm going to fly for the first time today. We're out here in the field, it's nice and early in the morning. Just opens up really easily. The amazing thing about this drone is it's 249 grams. Right, so the first flight, it doesn't want to take off grass. I should have known that really. I'm also testing out the Rode Wireless Go microphone. It looks a bit weird having it sort of clipped onto my jacket like this. All right then guys. First flight number 2. And up we go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Whoa. Time to go up. Oh my God, up it goes. I've actually got no connection to the drone, which is really annoying because I can't actually fly it anywhere. I'm only going on what I can see on here. So I'm going to bring it down to land.
Landing.
So that's not a good first drone flight because I can't see where it's going. So unfortunately, I've not been able to connect to the drone. I can fly it and the controller's connected to it, but the phone loses signal, so I can't see where I'm flying. So there's actually no chance of getting any good shots away from here. So we're going to head to the beach, which might be a little bit more open to fly the drones. So let's give it another go.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Aha! I can see now. That looks so cool. Right, so what we're recording here is the beach. It's a very, very unstable connection. Oh my God, I forgot to record. Right, I'm now recording. Right, it's now facing us. You can see us now on this. Okay. Right, I'm going to try and fly directly back to us. Back it comes. I'm still losing connection so much. So now I've got a bit more control over it. I can see it a little bit. It's so much more fun. It's probably about 200 meters away now.
Have you got signal?
Don't know which way. I think it's coming directly back to me. I kind of have signal. I kind of don't. I'm bringing it down now, guys. So that is my first flight of the DJI Mavic Mini. It's so cool. I mean, for something for 350 quid that can fly as well as this does. Unfortunately, I had a few of the problems, especially when lifting it off from the field. We're in a bit of a bowl there. Out here where it was a bit more open, I had a bit more success with getting the Mavic to lift off and get a bit more signal. When I flew it about 200-300 meters away, I lost signal immediately. So luckily, because we're in an open space, I managed to bring it back. But overall, it's a really, really cool thing to have. I mean, you can see it's watching over us. I mean, that's quite scary, actually. All right, well, thank you for watching this first impressions video of the DJI Mavic Mini. I absolutely love it. I'm going to try and fix some of those connection issues, see if I can find out why it's happened. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos on the DJI Mavic Mini, or if you've got any questions about it, please leave it on the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
landing.
Don't know. Whoa. By the way, that's not recommended to do because you could hurt yourself. Look at it go! So that's it, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. That's really irritating, isn't it?